quality more than quantity.
Oh,
I mean, sometimes, you know, you're there for only 30 minutes, but the quality of time is spent together.
But mahirap i-define yung quality.
Well,
Di ba? Parang the quality time should also be given in plenty of doses. Kailangan dami-dami yung 30 minutes na yun.
hindi, kasi like minsan, tama rin yun. Pero like, if you're in the house, for example, you stay there the whole day, but you're watching TV and your wife naman is doing something else. Or you're there just for an hour, but you're talking, you know.
You're talking to somebody at the cellphone.
Quality talaga.
Quality time.
I make sure that, you know, like when I go home, the first person I see, of course, is always
Can I
Christina.
inject something also?
Okay.
And also another thing na talagang for me it's very important, if not one of the most important things talagang in a relationship, in a marriage especially, in a family would be the spiritual side. Okay, kasi you can read all the books about, you know, how to have a happy marriage. You can get all the advice from all the successful, you know, people, you know, who come from successful marriages. But I think that God plays a major part in any marriage.
Your relationship has to be centered around God,
Yeah.
because siya naman din talaga nagpapatakbo ng relationship.
And I think that's really what keeps us also going.
Thank you
That's
so
basic.
much. Thank you so much for sharing a lot with
You're
us.
welcome.
Ang daming matutuwa. Actually, sobrang kilig. Ang daming kilig ngayon kasama ko. So, hindi pa po tapos ang kiligan natin dito sa show na to. Magbabalik po ang sis, mas nakakakilig pa ang gimmick namin.
Sa unang tingin, akala mo hindi kasal. Hawak na yata ni Alfred at Christina ang kaisa-isang world record pagdating sa bisita. Dumalo ang presidente, vice-presidente, ilang miyembro ng Senado, pati na rin mga kasama ni Alfred sa Kongreso. All flew in mula Manila hanggang Tacloban, only to witness 1998's grandest showbiz wedding. O diba? Di lang sila pang politika, pangkasalan pa.
Let's see. Ding na huwag na masyadong seryoso. This is for fun. I know, walang personalan nito, ha?
Alam ko na gagawin ko.
Okay, pili tayo ng isang question from that silver, mahiwagang silver.
May mga silver,
channel.
whatever. Okay.
Pili tayo one question and then pipili kayo from A or B. Sasagot nyo lang sa mga... Just A or B. Yung sagot nyo sa question. Siyempre.
Saka no cheating, ha?
No cheating,
no
no
talking,
copying.
no looking at each other.
No copying. Yay! Kasi ganito sinibunot ka muna ng question. Okay, we'll read it.
Sino masagot sila lang?
Okay.
Hindi. Lahat kayo, lahat.
Lahat. Okay. Pero mainly to the husband ang question, but everybody will answer. Pagkatapos mag-away ng isang buong gabi, gusto mong tonight sa pagtulog siya'y makatabi. Ngunit masungit ang iyong pinakasalan, ni kamay o kumot niya'y ayaw pahawakan. Anong pipiliin ng mga babanggitin kung gusto mong sa paggising niya siya ay kiligin? A. Uunahang gumising at ipagluluto ng breakfast in bed, tsaka papasok sa opisinang mag-isa. Or B. Uuwi ng maaga at magpapapogi ng sobra.
Yan.
To the husband to,
no? Oo, to the husband. So,
Kunyari kami din to the wife.
so girls, ano mas gusto niyo? Ano gawin ng guys?
Gawin ng guys.
Para fabulous ang paggising. Para bati na kayo paggising nyo. Yung guys, ano ba ang magagawa
Ikaw,
niyo para...
Jenny, A or B?
Ako, A. Ano ba yun? Oo.
Breakfast in bed.
Make ng breakfast.
Bake lang.
Game. Answers? Ooh!